Hello everyone. Every year, same problem. First rain comes, ceiling gets wet, you call the contractor. He comes, applies something, takes the money, and leaves. Next year, same problem. Same contractor, same money gone. Today, I will tell you exactly why this keeps happening and what you should actually do. Why roof ceiling gets wet and how you can stop it or find the actual problem. Most people think roof leakages mean the waterproofing has worn out. Sometimes that is true, but most of the time the waterproofing was never applied correctly in the first place. There are five basic mistakes that happen on almost every Indian terrace. Let us go through them one by one. Mistake number one, no slope. Your terrace should never be completely flat. Water needs somewhere to go. If your roof is flat, water just sits there. Sitting water finds every small crack. And in Indian summers, that water heats up, expands, cools down, contracts, and slowly makes these cracks bigger and bigger. There's a simple fix. When you redo your terrace, make sure the floor is slightly sloped towards the drain. Even 1 centimeter drop per 1 meter is enough. This one change prevents half of your problems. Second mistake, Coba without joints. In India, most terraces use brick bat Coba. It works well, but only when done properly. The biggest mistake is applying Coba in one continuous layer without any breaks. When temperature changes, the Coba expands and contracts. Without joints to absorb that movement, it cracks. You will see long straight cracks running across your terrace. That is not age, that is bad workmanship. When repairing, always insist on expansion joints every 1.5 meters. If your contractor does not know what that means, find another contractor. Third mistake, the corner junction. Go to your terrace right now. Look at the corner where the terrace floor meets the parapet wall. That small junction right there, that is where 60 to 70% of all Indian roof leaks actually start. The wall and the floor move differently. If the waterproofing was applied flat across that corner without a proper curved fillet, it cracks and water enters from there. Same problem at every water pipe, every drain outlet, every overhead tank base. These junctions must be sealed separately with flexible material before anything else. Most contractors skip this step completely. Do not let them. Mistake 4, dirty or wet surface. Any waterproofing product you apply, whether it is chemical coating, membrane, or crystalline, it will only work if the surface is clean and dry. Sounds obvious, but on Indian sites, waterproofing is applied on dusty surfaces, damp surfaces, surfaces with old paint still on them. The product sticks to the dust, not the concrete. One monsoon and it peels off the old paint. Before applying anything, the surface must be cleaned properly. Any loose material removed, and the slab should be dry for at least 2 days. This small step makes a massive difference. Mistake 5, wrong product. Last mistake, and this one is very common. People buy whatever the hardware shop recommends or whatever is cheapest. There are three main product types in India. Crystalline products work from inside the concrete, good for serious leaks. Acrylic coatings are cheap and easy, but they degrade in sun and need reapplication every 2 to 3 years. Bitumen membrane sheets are the most durable for open terraces, but need a skilled person to apply. Using a basic acrylic coating on a badly cracked terrace and expecting it to last 10 years, that is why the contractors comes back every year. So to summarize, check your slope. Make sure your Coba has joints. Seal every corner and junction properly. Clean the surface before applying anything. and use the right product for your situation. These are not expensive fixes, they are just the correct way to do it. Most leakages in India happens not because of bad products but because of shortcuts. If your terrace is leaking right now, drop your specific problem in the comments. I will reply. Share this video with your building committee or whoever handles maintenance. It will save them real money this monsoon. Subscribe to Civilogy for more content like this. See you in the next one. Thank you.